Thousands of people were without power after those storms moved through the area last night. This is a look at the current outages reported by Evergy as teams this morning are working to restore power in several areas. If you see downed power lines, Evergy asks to call and report it, but to stay at least 35 feet away from them as those lines could still have power.
It's nice to see things improving with those numbers, but the power is certainly impacting a lot of folks this morning. So, you know, not just with the issue of certainly the power, the energy out there, but also the debris that's left behind. My goodness. You know, we're taking a look at things this morning, especially for a community just north of Wichita. So let's get
so areas in Harvey County, like Newton, over in Halstead, actually seen a lot of the damage. Jocelyn Schifferdecker is live out there this morning and brings us the latest. Jocelyn.
Yeah, Nat, Carly, you guys are talking about the debris. I mean, just take a look at the scene. I think it really speaks for itself. This entire street just absolutely lined with debris, tree branches everywhere. And let's walk with me. I want to show you a closer look over here. You can see that tree right there just snapped completely in half. And over here, there's a down power line. So the city says there's actually some safety concerns because of some of the damage, like the trees on the ground and the down power line. So it's asking you to please stay inside. Do not go home unless you absolutely need to. I'm so sorry, there was just a fly in my face. Do not go home unless you absolutely need to, or do not go out unless you absolutely need to. The city crews were out all night assessing the damage. They're going to continue to do so today. So it's asking you to just give them some space so that they can do that. We'll keep walking here a little bit. You can see the trees all over the neighborhood, really. There are already some people out bright and early starting to get some cleanup on this, some neighbors out and looking at a tree across the way, which was completely blown over, uprooted from the ground. So it's some pretty crazy damage out here in Halstead. I'm reporting live in Halstead. Jocelyn Schifferdecker, KAKE News on your side.
All right, thank you, Jocelyn. And our coverage from Halstead continues this morning.
ABC's Alex Perez is in town as crews are working to assess that damage. Alex, we do appreciate you being here. Tell us, what are you seeing today?
Hey, good morning. Yeah, I want you to take a look around me here. You can see just the impact of this storm, how powerful those winds were. There are toppled trees like this just about everywhere here in Halstead. You can see the wind so strong here around this home that it actually toppled over this fence as well. Across the area, if we look at the weather the last 24 hours, National Weather Service, there's been about 13 reported tornadoes in 3 states here in Kansas, in Oklahoma, and also in Colorado. Right now, we're seeing a lot of people just waking up, coming out to assess the damage. That damage assessment in many aspects is really only just beginning now, and they're bracing for a pretty long day of cleanup here. If you look around me, there's a lot to clean up still here. Guys?
Absolutely, Alex. And, you know, not just that area, but taking us east to Newton, this is some footage that we had to show you this morning. So we do know that classes are canceled for Newton Public Schools. They just alerted us to this situation this past hour, telling us that power problems and certainly the damage is a part of why things are being closed. One middle school, for example, had damage into a building, so they're working on cleaning things up there. But we do know that a lot of people are working to get things moving forward for their homes too. So if you're in need of a shelter, for example, you're displaced by the storms, you can go to this shelter with the Red Cross. It's located at Fire Station 3 on South Kansas Road. But in addition to this area in Harvey County, another, Burton, so on the west side of the county, residents were told to shelter in place after the storms caused this chemical release to the area. We got a chance to catch up with emergency management, reporting that the leak was from a damaged oil facility on the west side of the city. The shelter in place, though, was lifted just after 11 last night, but we do know that several roads are closed in the rural parts of the community, so be aware of that. Harvey County did issue a verbal disaster declaration for the weather damage.
The city of Russell was also hit pretty hard. Take a look at this video. You can see downed trees split in half, power lines down this morning. City workers are out trying to restore power and clean up all of that debris. The school district has also canceled classes today because of the damage. Sheds have been ripped apart after golf ball sized hail and 82-mile-per-hour winds passed through the area. One resident says although he's sad to see his shed gone, he's happy everyone is okay.
She called me. We heard the tornado sirens go off. I said, well, she was already out, so I said, well, just book it east, I guess. Try to outrun it. And we were a little east of town, and one of my friends sent me a Snapchat. He's like, this is what your place looks like. And I'm like,
the city says damage reports are still being collected. It says power cannot be restored until the electric system is repaired. The city of Russell says on Facebook that at least 3 buildings have been leveled in town. 3 semi-trucks were overturned on westbound I-70. That's just 25 miles west of Salina when the storm hit. A viewer sent us this video saying this was just moments after the storms passed through there. Reports showed the area sustained wind speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Pretty crazy. And winds and rain knocked down several trees across Wichita as well. This is video of a tree on top of a home in South Wichita. That's over on Volusia Street. The residents inside are safe, thankfully, but power was knocked out in that area for several hours. And of course, more downed trees in South Wichita. Lindsay Marcel-Vars sent us these photos. Thank you, Lindsay, for that. You can see part of this tree fell right in front of a home. Pretty scary. And we would like to see your pictures from last night's storm or any damage that you might have experienced. You can text us those pictures to the number on your screen. That's 757-525-3697. Just be sure to include your name, location, and the time that you took the photo.
And we feel so fortunate getting that information from viewers. Also, we want to share this story for you this morning from Oklahoma. So this is outside of Oklahoma City. A tornado did touch down near Yukon and Mustang. The good news is that no injuries have been reported, but while people are accounted for, they're actually looking today, this morning, for livestock that may have been impacted. We do know, though, that homes were destroyed, power lines knocked down, roofs were ripped off of buildings. And as we see more of the daylight, like just over in Halstead, for example, we're hoping to get a clearer picture of everything that took place, again, over in the Oklahoma City area.